microwave.
Microwave.
Microwave, microwave.
But I was like, that's okay, they got stiff machines, so I can always just squat there. Get on this. But this had this no squat machine.
Got burnt.
Bigger than what I was expecting.
Dios. Los agarra bien borroso. O sea,
Qué raro, qué molesto, güey.
¿ah?
Me da excitante.
¿Cómo?
Excitante.
Nah, ya. Calmado, papá. Tú.
That is true, my friend.
To my friend, oh, be careful with the microwave. It's really dangerous to work on this kind of glasses. That's the new magnetron, and this is the old one. It's like getting smoke. Like it's like got some short internally the magnetron.
Una servilleta mojada.
On a napkin, wet napkin. Be careful with the with the microwave. When I test it, it seems like it's working fine. Órale. Be careful, be careful. Oh, yes. See?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
Go out, it was just sparking, so we didn't.